Did you know that you can make money using every social media app on your smartphone? Yes, that's right. In this video, I will disclose to you how to monetize every social media app on your smartphone. If you haven't subscribed to the LifeVersity channel, pause right there and smash that subscribe button. It comes at no additional cost on your side. Don't forget to turn on the notification in order for you to be notified whenever I post a brand new video like this one. There are basically two ways to monetize any social media app on your smartphone. The first way is through selling your talent, and the second way is through affiliate marketing. So selling your talent online involves coming up with the creative products like ebooks, music, and much more. So if you are an excellent writer, you can, for instance, write a book and publish it on Amazon or on Smashwords, and be able to sell your books online using all your social media platforms. You can share the link to your book on Amazon on any social media platform, of course being led by Instagram as we speak. We have LinkedIn, we have TikTok, we have Facebook, we have Twitter, and much more. And secondly, you can leverage what we call affiliate marketing, and here affiliate marketing is selling products of another company or marketing products of another company through what we call an affiliate link online. When somebody purchases that product using your affiliate link, you are paid what we call commission as a seller of that product. So there are different affiliate marketing programs, and of course the top one is the Amazon Associates. We have ClickBank and much more. So all you have to do for you to monetize every app on your smartphone is first deciding which way you want to go. If you want to sell personal products, then you can monetize every app on your smartphone by selling products you created. Secondly, if you decide that you want to go the affiliate marketing way, then you need to sign up to a good affiliate marketing program like the Amazon Associates and be able to set up your account, be able to choose the products you want to promote. If for instance you love books like I do, you can be able to promote different ebooks on Amazon and be able to share the link on your social media platforms and bring people to purchase those books on Amazon, and you will be paid commission. So before you get started, ensure you first have the social media account you want to market on. If you are choosing to go with Facebook, if you are choosing to go with LinkedIn, if you are choosing to go with Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, you need to set up that account using your email address, and then you need to set up your profile, and you need to increase an engagement with the people online. Be able to follow people. If it's TikTok, follow people, they'll follow you back. Give a shout out to people, they'll shout back at you, and be able to know each other. Be able to post frequently on your social media networks. As your network grows, you'll be able to get people who will be interested to hear what you have to offer, and you can be able to share your skills with them. If you have a book published on Amazon, you are selling your talent, and you can now be able to share with these people coming in from different social media platforms you have. Be able to send them a message. If it's on Facebook, share with them about the link of your book or the link to your book, and they will be able to purchase. If it's an affiliate product you are promoting, for instance a book written by another author, be able to share that link with them either on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, and much more. And if they purchase that book through your link, you will be able to earn what we call commission. And another way of ensuring that you are stable and permanent in the business of online marketing or selling your personal items or affiliate products online is creating a mailing list. A mailing list can be created using different autoresponders, and I suggest to you that you create using MailChimp, because for the first 2000 subscribers you will create a mailing list for free. Above 2000 subscribers you will be able to be charged a fee. So upon creating your mailing list on MailChimp, you can be able to share the link to your mailing list on your different social media platform, and offer a free buy to your friends who want to subscribe to your mailing list. Having a mailing list ensures that you have an audience you can control, an audience that you own. But just sending those direct affiliate links or the links to your personal products to your friends on social media doesn't give you that authority. So before you get started with this business, you need to create a mailing list and then be able to offer a free buy that will trigger people to subscribe to your mailing list. And then after you create a mailing list, or as your mailing list grows, you can be able to either share the personal products you've created online, or the talent you're selling online, or the affiliate items you are marketing online. You can be able to share them with your mailing list and be able to add value to their lives. So those are the two leading ways you can monetize literally every app, every social media app for that matter, on your smartphone. So share with me which are other ways you can be able to monetize all your social media apps on your smartphone. Comment in the comment box below and share with the LifeVersity community. That's it for this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the LifeVersity channel, please pause right there and smash that subscribe button. It comes at no additional cost on your side. Remember to turn on the notification in order for you to be notified whenever I post a new video like this one. If you want to learn about different ways of making money online, be sure to join my online masterclass. I've put the link in the description, and from there I'll be able to guide you on how to make money using different ways online. See you again, guys, in the next video, where I'll be sharing another amazing video with you guys. Stay tuned, and may God